So hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be talking about the 6 bullet stand from JoJo's Bizarre Adventure, Part 5 Golden Wind. So let's just get started. So first of all, personality. Interestingly, for stands, the pistols all have distinct personalities and frequently converse with Mista. Each pistol has a different personality, but they all share a childish and irreverent nature. What the fuck am I saying? They are prone to argue and can make inappropriate comments, and will not work if they are not fed. Outside of battle, Mista actually doesn't actually control the pistols, who do as they please. Number 1 is the leader of the group and is typically shot out first. Outside the number on its head, it's usually distinguishable by its joyful demeanor and canthus-like markings on its eyes. When turned against Mista via Chariot Requiem's defensive ability, Number 1 becomes violent and curses at him, threatening to blow his brains out while rapidly kicking him in the face. Number 2 appears almost rogue-like, but will often work together with Number 1 as a team. The two have interacted as a couple of times through some form of greeting. Aesthetically, Number Two's eyes have a black bar running between them, giving the appearance of goggles. Number 3 is vicious and commonly shows a belligerent face. Having squinted eyes, he commonly bullies Number 5. The naming order skips to Number 5, a timid crybaby who is constantly bullied by Number 3, identifiable by the spot in his nose region. He is most often seen on the receiving end of some kind of harassment, which is likely a reflection of Mista's dislike for what could have been his actual number. When other pistols and or Mista himself is injured or in danger, Number 5 usually stays behind to simply cry until ordered otherwise. Fortunately for Mista, this often leads to Number 5 being the last pistol intact should the others be caught in any kind of danger, making it the one that keeps him alive in many battles. Number 6 is considered the most fearsome looking of the group, usually keeping an irate face coupled with a V-shaped marking above its eyes. Unlike Number 3, it never displays hostility towards others, though it is nonetheless violent, shown when it angrily, if not excitantly, tells Bucciarati to kill, Prosito after he nearly kills Mista. Number 7 is similar to Number 1 in appearance, having completely circular eyes. It is also known to take initiative in a similar fashion. Much like Number 2, it will yell out in excitement when riding a bullet, and has at some point imitated a bull rider. In its first appearance, it had 3 fingers on each hand and shared Number 2's black bar between its eyes, which was slightly elliptical. Okay, I'm sorry guys. Abilities. 6 bullets are by themselves very weak stands and rely on the gun bullets they ride to participate in combat. Despite this, they are highly autonomous and have a long range, going as far as bullets can fly. This allows Mista to control the battlefield and gather information from afar, thanks to the bullets being able to spy on their enemies. If need be, the pistols can make decisions by themselves whenever the opportunity presents itself, often surprising foes as a result. 6 bullets is unusually resilient and can persist even if Mista is in a state of near unconsciousness or even near death. Should this be the case, the pistols can continue to help Mista's allies. However, the stand is vulnerable to attacks while out and active, but Mista can survive the most brutal harm dealt to the 6 members of his stand, so long as a single one remains unharmed. Bullet controlled. The pistol's ability is to literally ride the bullets that Mista fires in order to position themselves over an area, although they can hover around too, and then violently kick the bullets to change their path. Mista's most common use of this is to rebound shots, allowing the sudden redirection of bullets to hit moving targets, strike key areas, or otherwise take his opponents by surprise by using odd and unpredictable angles. If all 6 of the 6 bullets are on a single bullet, they have the power to split said bullet into multiple pieces when they kick. when all of them kick, creating multiple projectiles. However, the stand is vulnerable to attacks while out and active, but Mista can survive the most brutal harm dealt to the 6 members of his stand so long as a single one of them remains unharmed. And I just told you this before. The pistols can also block incoming bullets, and on one specific occasion, number 5 has even saved Mista from 3 fatal shots fired to the head by Prosciutto. I really hate these Italian names. Sorry, Italians. Sorry, I'm not being racist. Deflection. The pistols can block incoming bullets, and on one specific occasion, number 5 has even saved Mista from 3 close proximity fatal shots fired to the head by Prosciutto. Mista also has the ability to shoot 2 bullets at the same time, shown when used against Sale. Although unexplained, the general consensus is that a pistol shoots a bullet from another chamber by striking the primer at the same time that Mista fires. Enhanced perception. 6 bullets have extremely high reaction speed and perception. The feats they have done include being able to identify the members of the train cartridge, while speeding a bullet, scouting. I really hate these things. Chocolata, although unsuccessfully, in a helicopter while speeding on a bullet. Number 5, blocking all 3 close proximity headshots from Prosciutto in succession. Enhanced reloading. Mista normally does not reload his own gun but has 6 bullets reloaded for him. For this, he uses a 6-chamber revolver. Mista can use any type of firearm, but a chamber allows the pistols to reload all at once, as reloading a pistol magazine takes more time. Unlike Hole's Horse's Emperor, another gun-related stand, 6 bullets has no firearm to work with by default and must always be provided a gun with ammunition, since it has is useless for offense otherwise. However, each pistol is able to fire a bullet without a gun by kicking the bullet's primer. Also, if you don't know what I'm saying by pistol, I am referring to the 6 bullet stand. It's just another name for the stand because part 5 has some problems for some reason. And so thank you guys for watching this shitty video. And sorry for any stuttering or me speaking very slowly. Yeah, it's just been a little long, and I'm not really getting much time to upload, since life sometimes shits on all over you and you just have to clean it up and deal with it. And I'll see you guys next time. So peace out, everyone.